private homeschool teacher for Birdie Learning Academy, and I wanted to show you some of the things that we have done in second grade. This is science. So here we did the anatomy of a spider web. Then we talked about bees and their vision, and as well as pollination and all those kinds of things. We reviewed climate zones and social studies, learned about Maya cultures, civilization, California and its regions. Some art things that we have done are cubism, some painting, and pointillism. So we have been learning about different kinds of art and the history of it. An example of a language arts lesson. So we read a book and we talked about a scene that we could add to it, and then we did a little drawing about what it might look like. This is following the Oak Meadow curriculum, and so this is following the Oak Meadow curriculum, which I really enjoy. It's pretty flexible and it's easy to understand, and you could add more things to it. For example, I do include a bit more, sometimes explanations, or create my own worksheets for the students. So if you're a first-time homeschooling parent and you need a little bit of help, let me know to see how I can help you. Thanks.